Hey friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Become part of our home decor family. So in today's video, let's talk all things boho, and I'm going to show you my favorite boho finds on Amazon. Let me know if you like this kind of weird series I'm doing it. I'm just basically doing it because Amazon is so universal right now. Now, boho style is a really free-spirited aesthetic that mixes different cultures and artistic expressions into an eclectic style with an emphasis on organic elements and nature. I got that definition from HGTV, and I really felt that it really summed everything up. So just like the last video, we're just going to go room by room, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite boho finds, starting with a boho entryway. Now, no matter what style your home is, it's super important to have an entryway rug. It's going to catch some of the dust and grime from outside, the leaves, the rocks, the petals, the everything, just so it doesn't track into your home. I love boho rugs just for the simple fact that they're usually very vibrant and colorful, and this one is no exception. I also wanted to add a rug for the people that needed a kind of full circle rug for your entryway. I have an entryway to where I have a big round circle rug on it. I thought this was beautiful. Love the fringe, the jute details, and of course it's available in a variety of colors. Now, if your entryway is large enough for a table, having an entryway console table is a must. It gives you a spot just to kind of add extra pops of decor to lay your keys, and I love an entryway table that has drawers so you can hide some of those knickknacks and things that you don't necessarily need out. Now, if having a chandelier in your entryway is super important to you, you can still have one even with a boho style. This beaded chandelier is absolutely gorgeous and definitely will capture attention of those people coming in your home. So I guess we could call this the decor that would go on your entryway table. I love these two vases, how they coordinate with each other, and of course, as you can see here, they put a little bit of pampas grass in there just to kind of tie in with the boho feel. And last but not least, for your entryway, we have this two-tier shoe rack. We have just recently transitioned to being a shoe-free home, and I love it. So if you are one too, you can just sit this right by the door. Next, let's talk about boho living rooms. Don't forget, if you're interested in any of these, the links to all of this stuff is going to be in the description box. Now, for your living room, I found this two-piece boho round coffee table set, and I thought it would look perfect in a boho living room. I love how low down it is and all that texture on it. I think these are really pretty. So next for your boho living room, these floor pillows. Floor pillows and poofs always work well in a boho room. Now this is just the cover, keep that in mind. However, it's so much cheaper to buy the covers of something and just purchase one insert and then you're able to mix and match it than to purchase numerous pillows. Plus, it stores way easier. And here is that pampas grass we looked at. You get 75 pieces and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can make a few bouquets with this. For a little bit of wall decor in your boho living room, you have this set of two hanging shelves complete with LED lights. And something else I loved is this gorgeous rust sofa. The sofa looks so comfortable. I feel like it's a pretty good price and it would definitely work in a boho style living room. Now, if you're just wanting to get your feet wet with going boho, don't really want to switch out your furniture just yet, throw covers are perfect for that. Just throw these pattern boho style covers over your existing furniture and then you have the boho feel in your room. Now let's move into the boho kitchen. So first things first, I got some towels. This is a set of two, and they just have this really cheery boho vibe. Of course, kitchen tiles you always need for your kitchen. Next for your boho kitchen, I have these kitchen mats and rugs. This is going to be a set of two. You can sit one in front of the sink, in front of your counters, however you want to do it. But it makes standing a little bit easier, and of course it's going to bring that boho vibe down to the floor. So I just thought this was quirky and cute and wanted to show it to you. This is a macrame paper towel holder, right? Just something different, but it just screams boho. So if you have a circular table in your boho kitchen, this is for you. A tablecloth is a great way to just transform a space and really give it a new breath of fresh air. This tablecloth is no different. Comes in a variety of sizes and they have many different patterns available. Next, we have this set of two wood cutting boards available in two different sizes. Definitely screams boho, and you can use it as decoration if you're not actually using it to cut something on. Now, I have various baskets that I use for onions, potatoes, garlic, all that kind of stuff. I've never seen the little hanging baskets though. I thought this would be so cute, maybe on the side in your kitchen, and it's a great way to save space on tables and in cabinets and things like that. Okay, so we are just moving right along. Let's talk about boho dining room. So any dining room, you need a good rug, not all the time. I just enjoy a good rug. This one is perfect, available in a variety of sizes. You can get different patterns and it'll go with any boho color scheme that you have. Now, I am a chandelier girl. I'm going to give you two different options for your boho dining room. You have this beaded one that's a natural birch wood here. You also have this one that you plug in, so there's no need to hard wire it electrically. You don't have to call anyone out. You just plug it in. I think both of them are really cute. I think it's just a matter of preference. And next, let's look at two different dining tables. We have this one that is made in a birch type of wood, and of course this one with some rattan features here. Once again, both of them are gorgeous. I love the second one personally. So question for you, do you all still set your table? I know growing up, my mom, my grandmother always had the table set. Is that something that people still do? I find myself switching back and forth, but just in case you do, this is a set of boho style placemats as well as chargers. Alright, let's move on to boho bedrooms. I need to zip through these so they're not too long. I found this eucalyptus wall hanging decor with lights. I think this would be a gorgeous way to wake up, honestly. Now, I also found this set of two nightstands. Now, this says mid-century modern, but this just screams boho to me. But the really tricky thing is sometimes one certain item can fit different spaces. Now we also have this dresser with 6 drawers. Of course, this was gorgeous. You always need some place to put your stuff. Then I have 2 beds. We have this solid wood spindle platform bed, which once again screamed boho to me. And then we also have this queen comforter set. I guess it's not a bed, but it's a queen comforter set that is tufted and just looks very romantic and chic. Lastly, we have this rectangular wall hanging mirror, just because you always have to get that final look before you leave the bedroom. Now let's head on over to boho style bathrooms. Now we're going to start with another mat. I feel like you always need mats and things like this in your bathroom. This one is gorgeous and the fringe will just flow with your home decor style. Of course, you have a shower curtain. This is going to be a boho style shower curtain. Bathrooms are really easy to decorate because if you get a few key pieces right, your vision will definitely come to light. Also, we have this runner 24 by 60. I thought this was gorgeous. If you're doing this color scheme, this just looks so soft. Now for accessories and essentials actually on your countertop, we have this black bathroom accessory. This isn't necessarily boho, but it blends in with the boho aesthetic. Now we also have this toilet paper holder. I love that it actually has the holder and then space for unused rolls, and it sits a little higher off the floor, so in case any leaking happens, you aren't going to ruin your toilet paper rolls. And last but not least, we have some wall art. I love this girl because she's just doing everything. She's soaking, she's relaxing, she's looking in the mirror. This is a lot of fun. They also have different shades available, so no matter who you are and what you are, you can have a look that you are comfortable with hanging in your bathroom. Alrighty, we made it to the end, friends. Let's look at some boho patios. Now, I love this area rug. It says it is an indoor rug, however, you can also use it outdoor, and I feel like it's a really blank palette that you can just kind of decorate on top of. Now, I will not kid you, this patio set is my favorite. Of course, it's a boho style, but this fits any other style. And I'm actually, fun fact, talking to my husband right now because I want this. I love the umbrella. I love that egg chair. It's just gorgeous to me. But if this is doing a little too much for you, this patio set is also available. It's a 4-piece set, includes like a love seat, 2 chairs, and a table. This is great for a smaller type of patio, but no matter what style you go with, you're gonna need some light. I have 25 feet of string lights, gonna give you about 27 bulbs. Just kind of hang this over your seating area. It creates a vibe for sure. Last but not least, we have a hammock, because why not? Hammocks always scream boho to me. They're just so laid back and relaxing, and this one is no exception. Of course, it comes in a variety of colors and patterns. So I just wanted to show you some of my favorite finds. We're going to zip right through these. First off, I loved this entryway table. 3 different drawers that I could stuff with stuff. Also room to decorate. I love this sofa just because it looked so comfortable. I'm obsessed with this table. I almost want to have a boho dining room, but this patio, this is my favorite. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Thank you for watching And Then There Was Style, but if you want to see more, check out one of these 2 videos right here. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends, and stay safe.